Hey folks, are you ready to embrace the ugly, the outdated, and the downright weird world of switchgear installations? Well, Enercon Engineering presents the Unleash the Uglies Switchgear Contest. Dig out your oldest, most creatively adapted, or just plain ugliest switchgear installation and give it the spotlight it deserves. Snap a pic, share its story, and you could win big. Weekly draws for cool branded merch, a Yeti prize package valued at $500 for the fan favorite, and a Solo Stove Pie Pizza Ultimate Bundle grand prize package valued at $1,000 for the absolute ugliest switchgear. Visit enerconpower.com/ugly today. Unleash the ugly, folks. It's time to let the switchgear shine, warts and all. Visit website for official rules. enerconpower.com/ugly.